For the brine, I use 1 1/2 cup of vinegar, half cup of water, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, peppercorns, and then chili flakes because I want it to be a little bit spicy. Added bay leaf, it will help retain the crunchiness, and then I added garlic, 3 cloves of fresh garlic. Then just pour that brine into your jar. Make sure it's all covered and make sure all that cucumber is totally submerged in the brine. That's pretty much it. You just have to let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 3 days before you eat it. At least 3 to 4 days, and it will be really good.